Yeah, darling. So I got this sign at the right night, a letter and I'm doing me with a black collar lighter and a weapon master. But I know it don't matter, all we need in this world is some love. And the night to the dark side and the light side, baby, tonight is a struggle you gotta run. Try to find it, but if I had you, that would be the only thing I ever need. Yeah, if I had you, the money, fame, and fortune never could compete. If I had you, life would be a party and the ecstasy. Yeah, if I had you, a little bit. Little stabs. If I had you, if I had you, if I had you, said if I had you, if I had you, I said if I had you, 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 cheesy, I'm sorry. I'm such a nerd, I'm like, you, and you, and you, and you. You know, I gotta say, I am so proud to declare that I'm such a dork. Because I think it's cool to not really care. So for all you nerds out there, hell yeah. Show. Okay, cool. All right. You get it. You understand. Now, I tried to introduce my band a minute ago, but I'd like to do a better job, all right? can you do that for me? Cool. First of all, I'm gonna dry off because I look like I just had a shower. You want this, girl? You guys, you should see this front row that tried to reach for it because it didn't get to them because I can't throw it because I'm at short. You know, we're like, woo! Okay, the band. First of all, on the keyboards is my musical director. He's operating a lot of computers too, man. It's pretty high tech, pretty amazing. Peter Dyer! Over on the lead guitar, ladies and gentlemen, is the other Adam. Adam Ross. Give me a little something, Adam. Give me a little tasty. Down on the bass. He's the grooviest one up here, you know. He does the grooves. I said groovy. Darwin. Give it up for Darwin Johnson. And holding it down on the beat, getting your booty shaking tonight. You like that beat? Please give a big round of applause to Brooke Alexander. Give me a song, Brooke, come on.